20 jaw-dropping car crashes you won't believe. What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a world of crazy car crashes caught on Dashcam. I'm talking about those heart-stopping, did that just happen? Moments that'll make you rethink everything you thought you knew about driving. Buckle up because you're about to witness some of the most shocking car crashes ever caught on Dashcam. Get ready to see cars flying, trucks flipping, and some near misses that'll leave you speechless. But remember, always drive safely and stay alert on the road. You never know what's going to happen next. We're starting off strong with this one. Watch as this driver, completely oblivious to the world, blows through a red light. Bam! A minivan slams on its brakes, but it's too late. This is why you gotta be alert at intersections, people. Always look twice even if you have the right of way. You never know who's not paying attention. Next up, we're on the highway where things can go from 0 to 100 real quick. This driver's cruising along, not a care in the world, when suddenly, boom! A tire blows out on the car in front of them. It's a recipe for disaster. This is why you gotta make sure your car's in tip-top shape, folks. Regular maintenance can literally save your life. You might think you're safe in a parking lot, but think again. This next crash is proof that danger can strike anywhere. Check it out. This driver's backing out of their spot, not paying attention when, wham! They nail a car coming down the aisle. Remember guys, always be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas like parking lots. Chapter 4, Raining Chaos. When it rains, it pours, and I'm not just talking about the weather. This next crash happened on a slick rainy day. Visibility is low and people are driving too fast for the conditions. Suddenly, a car hydroplanes, loses control, and spins right into oncoming traffic. It's a scary reminder that you gotta adjust your driving when the weather takes a turn. Slow down, increase your following distance, and stay extra alert. Chapter 5, Texting Tragedy. We've all been there, stuck in traffic, bored out of our minds. But this next crash is a stark reminder that taking your eyes off the road, even for a second, can have devastating consequences. This driver's scrolling through their phone not paying attention when bang! They rear-end the car in front of them. Put the phone down, people, it can wait. Your life is more important than a text message. Chapter 6, Wild Weather Warning. Mother Nature can be a force to be reckoned with, and this next crash shows just how powerful she can be. Check out this dashcam footage from a driver caught in a sudden hailstorm. Hailstones the size of golf balls are pummeling their car, and visibility is practically zero. It's a white-knuckle ride as they try to navigate their way to safety. Remember, if you encounter severe weather, pull over to a safe location and wait it out. It's not worth risking your life. Chapter 7. We're back at the intersection, folks, and this time, it's a doozy. Watch as this driver runs a red light, completely ignoring the oncoming traffic. A truck swerves to avoid a collision, but it's too late. The impact is massive, sending the car spinning into a nearby pole. It's a horrifying reminder that intersections can be deadly if drivers aren't paying attention. Blind spots, we all have them, but in a car, they can be deadly. This next crash shows why it's so important to check your blind spots before changing lanes. This driver's merging into the next lane, not realizing there's a car already there. Boom! The cars collide, sending one of them careening off the road. Always shoulder check, people, it could save your life. Speed kills. It's a message we hear all the time, but some people just don't listen. This next crash is a tragic example of what can happen when you push your car beyond its limits. This driver's flying down the highway, weaving in and out of traffic like they're in a Fast and Furious movie. But their need for speed comes to a screeching halt when they lose control and crash into a barrier. Obey the speed limit, folks. It's there for a reason. We live in a world of distractions, but behind the wheel there's no room for anything but the road ahead. This next crash is a prime example of how dangerous distracted driving can be. This driver's fiddling with their radio, not paying attention to the road, when suddenly they drift out of their lane and sideswipe a car in the next lane. It's a reminder that even seemingly harmless distractions can have serious consequences. Tailgating is one of the most annoying and dangerous driving habits out there. This next crash shows just how quickly tailgating can turn into a nightmare. This driver's riding the bumper of the car in front of them, when suddenly the car in front slams on its brakes. The tailgater doesn't have time to react and rear-ends the car, sending both vehicles spinning. Keep a safe following distance, people. It could save you a lot of trouble. Driving the wrong way down a one-way street is a recipe for disaster. This next crash is a terrifying example of what can happen when you get your directions mixed up. This driver's going the wrong way down a busy street, completely oblivious to the oncoming traffic. Headlights are flashing, horns are honking, but it's too late. The car slams head-on into another vehicle, resulting in a catastrophic collision. Pay attention to road signs, folks. They're there for a reason. Pedestrians are the most vulnerable people on the road, and drivers have a responsibility to keep them safe. This next crash is a heartbreaking reminder of what can happen when drivers aren't paying attention to their surroundings. This driver's not looking where they're going and strikes a pedestrian crossing the street. It's a tragic accident that could have been easily avoided with a little more awareness. Just like pedestrians, cyclists are at a disadvantage when sharing the road with cars. This next crash shows how quickly a fun bike ride can turn into a tragedy. This driver's not paying attention and makes a right turn directly into the path of an oncoming cyclist. The cyclist slams into the side of the car, sending them flying over the handlebars. Always be aware of cyclists, folks, especially at intersections. Motorcycles are practically invisible to some drivers, and this next crash is a prime example of why it's so important to share the road. This driver is not looking where they're going and pulls out directly in front of an oncoming motorcycle. The motorcyclist slams on their brakes but can't avoid a collision. It's a scary reminder that drivers need to be extra vigilant when motorcycles are around. Animals on the road can be unpredictable, and this next crash shows just how quickly things can go wrong. This driver's cruising down a country road when suddenly a deer jumps out in front of them. The driver slams on their brakes but can't avoid a collision. It's a reminder that you should always be alert for animals on the road, especially at dawn and dusk. Construction zones are inherently dangerous places, and this next crash shows why it's so important to slow down and be extra cautious in these areas. This driver's speeding through a construction zone, not paying attention to the lane closures, and collides with a construction vehicle. It's a reminder that construction workers are putting their lives on the line every day, and we need to do our part to keep them safe. Road rage is never the answer, and this next crash is a prime example of how quickly things can escalate when tempers flare. This driver's involved in a minor fender bender, but instead of exchanging insurance information, they decide to take matters into their own hands. They ram their car into the other vehicle repeatedly, causing significant damage and putting everyone at risk. Keep your cool, folks, it's not worth it. Drowsy driving is just as dangerous as drunk driving, and this next crash is a tragic reminder of the importance of getting enough sleep. This driver's been up all night and is struggling to stay awake at the wheel. Their eyes start to close, and for a split second, they doze off. That's all it takes. The car drifts out of its lane and collides head-on with an oncoming vehicle. This last crash is a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of drunk driving. This driver's had way too much to drink and is swerving all over the road. They're a danger to themselves and everyone else on the road. The driver loses control and crashes into a tree. If you're going to be drinking, please don't drive. Call a cab, designate a driver, or just stay put. Wow, guys, that was intense. We just witnessed some of the most insane car crashes ever caught on camera. It's a stark reminder that we all need to be extra careful behind the wheel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And remember, drive safely out there. Don't be like these drivers, pay attention and stay alert. Until next time, peace out.